Have you ever thought about what paradise sounds like? Imagine waking up to the gentle rustle of palm trees swaying in the breeze, mixed with the distant laughter of locals enjoying life. That's right. Tropical destinations offer a unique soundtrack that can turn a simple vacation into an unforgettable experience. Picture this. You're on a beach in Bali, sipping coconut water while a band serenades you with catchy tunes. Suddenly, a monkey swings by, adding its own cheeky sound effects, and you can't help but laugh. You might even find yourself thinking, does this monkey have better rhythm than me? In the tropics, every sound tells a story, from the melody of waves crashing to the vibrant calls of exotic birds. Just when you thought you heard it all, a local stray dog might join the chorus, harmonizing in a way that would make any pop star jealous. This symphony of nature doesn't just entertain, it connects us to the essence of tropical life. So, next time you plan a getaway, remember, it's not just about the sights, but the sounds that make it all come alive. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious, be safe, and keep the wonder alive.